Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav and I'm back today with another video of unboxing. Now it's a new guy, Echo Show 5. I bought it today at Best Buy for $74.99. Retail price is $99.99 if you go to Best Buy, because they have the sales going on right now, so you might want to get over there. You don't know how long the sales is going to last, but anyways, I just had to get one of these so that I can unbox it and see how it looks. I've seen an on display where Best Buy allows you to interact with these devices that you will like to buy. Plus, what I always say is do your research on whatever you're gonna buy before you actually buy it, and see if it actually fits in your budget. Not only that, if it fits in what you think it's gonna do for you, if it's gonna mean well for you or if it's not. Because sometimes we could just be buying stuff just to be buying stuff. Let's just get this baby unboxed. We're gonna turn it around. It has a little zip thingy thing right here. So we're gonna just pull this back, pull it back. I'm going to tell you what these features actually comes with. So of course it has Alexa. It has the Bluetooth, which you can hook your phone up to it and you can respond to text messages, do phone calls from your cell phone without, picking up your cell phone. You can just tell Alexa, hey Alexa, call such and such, call mom, call dad, whoever. You can tell her hands-free. You don't even have to pick it up. Just use your voice. And then also, one of the features that I do like on these devices is that you can actually whisper to Alexa, and then she will actually whisper back. So that works when you're in a room with somebody else and you do not want to disturb them. You can actually turn on whisper mode and basically talk to her, and she'll talk to you back whispering. That is so cool, because she will whisper to you, and then nobody will hear her talking unless you have the volume all the way up, but you can actually hear her clear. The volume on these devices is actually real clear. Also, we have Wi-Fi. Of course, when you prompt to set it up, basically it's gonna ask you, hey, set up the Wi-Fi, set up your password, etc., etc. Also, it has a built-in camera, just like I was telling you how the built-in camera cover is basically there just in case you don't want people looking in on you. I'll get this baby unboxed, and after we pull this off, we're gonna pull it back. So it's nicely packed. Pull it out. It's this small. Okay, so this is the device itself, the Echo Show 5. What else is in the box? Put that to the side. We got the plug. So this is what comes in the box. You get the Echo Show 5 and you get the plug, which is the adapter that actually powers on this device. We're gonna unwrap this. So you get a nice clean screen on the top, which you guys can actually tell. On the top, you have the shutter button to close, to cut off the camera for people not seeing you. By clicking it this way, which it turns orange, that means nobody can see you when they try to video call you. When you turn it back and it turns black, then people can actually see you and drop in on you, which these devices are actually good to do just in case you might forget something at home, might have forgot to pick up something, or just needed to contact somebody. You can just drop in on them and it will actually provide a video call in which it doesn't take up no minutes on your phone. It's free, and just drop in from wherever you at. You could be at work and say, hey, I forgot this, can you bring it to me? You got the volume button, which is the plus to put the volume up. You got the negative button, which is to decrease the volume, where if it's too loud, then you can decrease the volume. And then you got the mute button, which you have the aux port if you want to hook up a aux, like a headphone, up to the actual speaker, because it is a speaker / your Alexa assistant. Just like the Google Home, it's your Google Assistant, but this is Alexa's assistant. You also have the micro USB cord. Also, you have the adapter part, and this is the power. Give it a second, it will power up. It's gonna ask us right here. It's asking us right here to pick our language. So we're gonna pick English, right?
Hello, ready for setup.
See, there you go. She's saying ready for setup. Well, we have some routers that it will search up. So right now, we're gonna hit our Wi-Fi signal. And then I will enter my password and then I will be right back. It's going to connect. It's connecting. Goody, goody, goody. Password. Then it's gonna say it's connecting, right? So now it's gonna prompt us to our email. And then we can just type on the screen. Okay, so right here, it says, welcome Travis, how you doing, baby? But it doesn't say how you doing, baby. But we're gonna hit continue right here. And now it's gonna ask us, it's gonna prompt us to access to confirm our time zone. So we're gonna hit the Eastern time, which everything is okay. We're gonna go back, don't, hit that. So we're gonna hit that and it's gonna load in. We're gonna hit continue, right? So it's gonna ask us, do we want to group? So to keep your device organized, place your Echo Show in a group. So we're gonna already place this in the bedroom and then we're gonna rename it. We're gonna rename this baby, because you know why? Because we already have the show 8. So we're gonna name this, right? So we're gonna just keep it as Travis, just to keep it simple. Simple and easy, simple. Right? Invalid name, device name is already in use. So we're gonna just put, hold up, let's put this. Let's put nice one. Right? Let's see if that's in use. Yep, that's already in use. So what we're gonna do is just put TJ. Alrighty. So after 3 attempts to try to get a name, the device will actually update. So we're gonna click this, install, update, install.
This device will restart twice.
Okay, so after it finished updating and everything, it shows introducing Echo Show 5. So it shows introducing Echo Show 5. This is a brief video. Will highlight ways you can use your new device. Okay, so you can look at the video. Actually, do you want to start Amazon Music? Get the most out of your Echo Show. Play any song, just ask only for $3.99 a month. But we're gonna say no thank you for now. And then it says almost done. And it shows Echo.
This device is ready.